Welcome to your workout today. We are doing chair conditioning. I'm going to use a ball. You can use a chair with no arms on if possible, please. And you need light weights for you, and you also need a band. Again, as always, you don't have to have everything there. You can just have what you have there, or nothing at all. You do need a chair. Okay. All right, let's get going.
Halfway there.
Okay, team, how we doing? All right? You can hear the music there in the background. We've got some light weights and you've got a band. Please put your band on. If you're not using a band, that's fine too, don't worry. You sit on your chair, have your weights in front of you. Nice tall body, pick it up and down. Pick it up. Now if the floor's too low, you could go to perhaps a cushion and down. Push up, bring it down. Well done, good work. That's it, you've got this. Fabulous. Up.
Halfway there.
Well done. If you've no weights, it's the same principle. Lower them to the floor. Now try and keep that chest bone nice and high. Well done.
Exercise 2.
Okay, team. So we're going to lift the leg, one leg out, opposite arm. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Lift from the hip. A little bit harder on the ball. Really good for working the glutes, front of your thighs. I'm not looking at you, concentrating. And up, and up.
Halfway there.
Change sides. So lift and down. Woo. Good work. How does it feel? Can we feel it yet? Fabulous. Nice and strong.
Exercise 3.
Both weights then, team. Chest press. Knee lift, knee lift. Chest press. Knee lift, knee lift. Chest. Make sure you've got tension on your band if you've got a band. Good work. Keep it going. How does it feel? Yes?
Halfway there.
You've got it. You've got it. Well done. Woo. I'm doing 3 now and a knee lift, knee lift. Weights to the floor. Tap out. Touch the floor. Tap out. Give your arms a little rest. Touch the floor. 1, 2, 3. Touch the floor. Tap. Yes, you can feel this if you have that band on. Well done. 1, 2, 3. Down. 1, 2, and 3, and down. Nice tall bodies in the chair. Tap it out.
Halfway there.
Good work. You've got this. Well done. There. Don't know why it's hanging that bit. Keep going, you're doing well. Woo!
Exercise 5.
Okay. With your weight, knee floats. Well done. Alternate alternating sides. Good work. You are strong, you've got this. Nice tall back in the chair.
Halfway
Pulled
there.
up, you've got it, come on, keep going. Use the weights if you need to, my friends. There we go. Don't think that sounds like Prince, I do. So we're doing every minute on the minute, changing. Okay, team. Take your legs wide. Go down to the side, down to the side. Open your legs. Take it down, down, push wide. Don't push near the knee, push from the hip bone. So down to the side, and then open. Down, down. If no band on, you can keep your feet together,
Halfway there.
and you can open that way, yeah? But we're going, if the band on, I want a nice wide stance, then open. So we're going to do it a little bit later. We're going to do our feet together. Well done, get that body moving. Gorgeous work.
Exercise 7.
Now place your hands on your legs. Curl, curl. Now, calf raise. 1, 2, 3. So you're lifting those heels for me, bicep curl. Calf raise, up, 2, 3, bicep. Now, because you've got your elbows on your legs, you've got a limited movement in that bicep movement. Well done. Go on to those toes. Toes, toes. Yes, well done, guys. How does it feel? Good work. Ow, just hit myself with the weights.
Exercise
Lift.
8.
Okay, this is one where we have our feet together, team. Arms up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lower. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Chest. 3 this time. 3, 2, 1. Lift the arms.
Halfway there.
2s. Hold them there. Legs. Singles. Legs. Singles. Legs. 2s. Legs. 4s.
Exercise 9.
Oh, we're not going to get all the way there. Okay, team, punch with the arms. Now march. Lift those legs with those arms. Punch. March.
Halfway
Punch.
there.
One more. March. Swing those arms. We punch.
Exercise 10.
One way, team. Rotate. Rotate. Knee lift. knee lift. This is your final one. Rotate, rotate, knee lift. Rotate, knee lift. Knee lift.
Halfway there.
Well done. Rotation for the waist. Glutes and legs. Knee. Yeah, come on.
Exercise 11.
There we go, we're going to finish it off. And release. Well done. Workout completed. You can take that band off if you've got one. Thank you. Don't forget to stretch, guys. See you soon.